On the ruffalo, crowd the crowd that sit in me a peep section.
No fuck shit plant your bushes.
You like them, you can't. I'm on blow, shout it. Make the back glass silence the chat. Me no come fi argue. Silence the chat. Before me I fi bury you. All that talking up pure foolishness for no carry through. Silence the chat. Action time, what you gonna do? When you say them attack me name inna the dark corner. Whispering pon the phone like some informer. Spread the light but how me get the money, how me own them. And now when me step to them face, them all turn performer. Them turn loose like them never learn a lesson. Running off them out with that kind of conjecture and question. When the war start, them chat even standing in my presence. Them will chat disappear, not a single confession. Them a chat about my family, them a chat about my clothes. Them a chat about the carry me drive from the head to toes. But a troubles of them stay when them life grey and stagnant. So them a fit about my life, cause them wanna is got to silence the chat. Me no come fi argue. Silence the chat. Before me I fi bury you. All the talking up here foolishness when I carry through. Silence the chat. Action time, what you gonna do? You think say me care about what them have to say defy. You think say them words can block me when them chat is like mosquito on me ear, me do show it. But if the mosquito bring disease, then me have to say consider this the pesticide. We all know we chat too much verbal venom when no silence, who know with a single touch. I'm not the evidence, me have the risk, me have the clutch. To prove say every single word out don't know it is a crutch. The pop up no worthless existence, who know miserable life. While me a build by a true trouble and strife. So go and talk, make me hear the gossip and the strife. But remember every word will cost like a knife.
How you call it?
The chat. Stop. Or stop it. Permanently. Wait on me. Silence. Or silence the chat. Silence the chat. Silence the chat. Silence the chat.